Number 36. 36. What is the source of the food substances required for the nutrition of the ovule flowering plant? Flowering plant, ovule, food, nutrition. Let's read the choices. Number A, nucellus and the micropyle. B, phenicil. C, micropyle. D, ovary, wall, and nucellus. Yes, the source of food substances required for nutrition of the ovule in flowering plant, the ovary wall, and the nucellus. Yes, that's the food required for the ovule. Let's go to 37. 37 here as a trick, not a normal question. To think. Let's think. Let's read and think. 37. Study the figure that illustrate a type of reproduction. Wow, this is a reproduction. What the meaning of reproduction? Reproduction means increase in the number of the living organism to ensure continuity. Yes, reproduction in a living organism. And then conclude. Conclude means we must think. What is the type of reproduction that is illustrated in the figure? Type of reproduction which increase the number, I don't know, one cell give 2, 3, 4, and the other cells again, and 3 to become one cell and reproduce again by a protective coat. Let's go. Let's read the choices. Number 1, A, fragmentation of Plasmodium of malaria. No. Maybe. Yes. B, repeated binary fission of amoeba. That's amoeba. What? Amoeba means increase the number. Is the amoeba make a coated around it? Maybe. C, spongy in the bread mold fungus. Bread mold fungus. D, division of zygospores of Spirogyra. No, not a Spirogyra. Oh, repeated binary fission in the amoeba. That means the protective coat that the amoeba make a dormant. Then it will be reproduced. It's make a binary fission many times to make new offspring. Amoeba, binary fission in amoeba. Let's go. 38. Let's go to the question 38. 38, immunity again. Immunity, what is this? It's a blood cell. Where they found? Inside the plasma of the blood. Let's go. Read the question. Study the drawing that illustrates subtypes of immune cells. And then conclude. Think. What is the type of immune cell? Letter B. B. Letter B. Where they found? Inside the cell, inside the blood. C. B. C. Monocytes, lymphocytes, xenophil, basophil. Oh, I don't know, but I will remember. Remember what our the school book was. Yes, that's a blood cell. Where they found inside the blood? A, B, C. B is lymphocytes. Lymphocyte inside the blood. So, let's go about it again. This type of cells, what are the answer? Monocytes, lymphocytes, xenophil, basophil, which of them B is lymphocytes. 39 speak about the effect of the enzyme. Not all enzyme, the enzyme which make immunity. Yes, immunity may be done by some enzyme. Let's go to read the question. 39. What is the substances whose effect similar to the effect of enzymes secreted by natural killer cells? Natural killer is a type of cell found in our body. What are the first one? Peripherin, histamine, lymphokinase, cytokinase. Which of them are secreted by a natural killer cell? Let's study. The enzyme secreted by the natural killer is peripherin. Peripherin, why peripherin are secreted as an enzyme? Because to create pores. Pores means opening in the pathogen and destroy it. It will make a pores in the pathogen and destroy it. Like a bullet? Yes, bullet. Let's go. 40. If the percentage of adenine in ribosomal RNA molecule is 50%, what is the percentage of pyrimidine in this molecule? Here a trick about ribosomal RNA. DNA, we have a percentage. How about RNA? Is there a percentage of RNA? DNA percentage because it's a double helix. RNA is a double helix? No, it is a single strand. Let's see about the question and read it. 40, the percentage of adenine in ribosomal RNA molecules is 50%. What is the percentage of pyrimidine in this molecule? 50%, 35%, 50% should be tested chemically. Ribosomal RNA, not DNA. Okay, should be tested chemically because it is a ribosomal DNA. This means the double strand of DNA amount of purine nucleotide is equal to the amount of pyrimidine nucleotide, but it RNA, not DNA. Purine, adenine and guanine equal pyrimidine, but RNA must be tested. So the answer is should be tested chemically. D. The answer is D because ribosomal RNA, not a DNA. 41 is speak about the DNA molecule. Let's go. What is the ratio between the number of turns? DNA molecule is a double strand which make turns. Why DNA is make turns? To condense it, to become small in size, because there are many DNA inside the living organism cell. There are 46 chromosomes inside the cell. DNA may be a long strand. So it must be condensed, it must be turned to condense it inside the cell. What is the ratio between the number of turns in DNA molecules and the number of nitrogenous bases, respectively? Okay, nitrogenous base is the base between adenine and guanine, cytosine and thymine. Yes, where? What are the ratio they give? A 20 to 1, 1 20, C 10 to 1, D 1 to 10. Let's answer the question by calculation. Ratio, the number of turns in DNA molecule and the number of nitrogen spaces pairs respectively is 1 to 10. Why? One full turn, one turn only, contains, typically DNA double helix contains 10 nitrogen space pairs. Each turn contains 10 nitrogen space pairs. Okay, let's go to 42. 42, what consequence? Let's read the question. Yes, 42. What is the consequence of presence of more than codon of most amino acid in the genetic code? Most amino acid in genetic codes. Codes. Yes. Code mean DNA, maybe. Let's read the choices. Number A, decreasing the negative effect of gene mutation. Genetic code. Decrease the gene mutation. B, increasing the variation of proteins. Variation of protein. Difference of protein. Okay, C, decreasing the negative effect of chromosomal mutation. Decreasing the negative effect of chromosomal mutation. Negative effect is all the mutation has a negative effect. Some mutation has a positive effect and they give many benefit. Translating the same codon to form than one amino acid. Okay, let's go to the answer. The answer is A, decreasing the negative effect of gene mutation. So, what is the consequence of presence of more than one codon for most of amino acid in the genetic code? Decreasing the negative effect of gene mutation. Thank God there are small mutation inside our body or in our offspring. Thank God for that. 43. Let's read the question number 43. What is the reason of non-repairing of damage of genetic material of polymyelitis virus inside the host cell? Polymyelitis cause parallel in some limbs. Yes, let's go. What are the choices? Because of the absence of ligase enzyme inside the host cell. Polymerizes. Okay. B, because the genetic material of the virus is single strand. Virus, single strand. RNA, maybe. Let's go. C, because the ligase enzyme are specific in repairing the damage of genetic material of the host cell only. Damage of genetic material caused by ligase enzyme, maybe B, because the genetic material of the virus doesn't penetrate the nucleus of the host cell. How it come? Let's go to the answer. The answer, non-repairing of the damaged genetic material, non-repairing, because it's a single strand. So, because genetic material consists of RNA, RNA the single strand, single only, cannot be repaired. DNA can be repaired because it's a double strand by many enzymes. 44. That's maybe a essay question. Maybe. Yes, essay question is very important because it collects many marks. 2, maybe. Yes. This is a table. Study the following table then. Determine the types of mineral 1, 2, 3 respectively. Study the following table. Okay, what are the following table? Speak about the mineral 1, 2, 3. Golden color, the first one has a golden color. Mineral 2, malleable and ductile, so we can make a wire from it and a plate. Metal, maybe. Mineral number 3, purple color. I like this color very much. I like purple. Mineral 1, black streak. Mineral 2, metallic luster. Yes, it's a metal. Mineral 3, white streak. Okay, let's go. These are the choices. Number 1, A, 1, native mineral. 2, silicates. 3, sulfides. B, sulfates. What are the difference between the sulfides and the sulfate? The difference here is oxygen combined with oxygen. Yes. 2, native mineral. 3, silicates. I like silicates. I like to go to the desert. C, silicates. 2, sulfides. 3, native mineral. D, sulfides. Native mineral, silicates. Let's answer. The answer is D, sulfides, native mineral, and silicate. Okay, let's go again. D, sulfides. Number 1, sulfides. Yes, golden color, sulfides. They at the post, they make coal with it. 2, native mineral. Native mineral, yes, mineral, because malleable and ductile. Metallic luster, yes, it's a mineral, native mineral. 3, silicates, yes, silicates, because it has a purple color and white streak. Let's go to question number 45. 45, it is a figure. Represent layers inside the earth. Let's go. Question with 2 marks. Care. The following figure represents sedimentary succession. Sedimentary, it's type of rocks. There are many types of rocks. Igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rocks, it comes from volcano. Volcano inside the soil or volcano above the soil. Okay, let's go to sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks is made of layer of sediments. Yes, but metamorphic rocks comes from the pressure and temperature of the rocks. Number E, what the geological structure expressed by the letter XX. Yes, that a geological structure from X to X. Number B, what is the geological structure from Y to Y? Yes, Y to Y. Yes. C, identify the structure B. B, which intrusion is older, A or B? Let's go to answer. X and X, discomfy surface, yes, it's a cut surface, discomfy surface. Y and Y, normal fault, yes, it is a normal fault between the layers. B is older than A. B is older than A because it's come at the bottom, not at the surface. B is cell. Yes, cell. Thank you. Question with 2 marks with the essay question. Yes, it's an essay question. 46, let's read about 46. What is this 46? 46 is a figure. What this figure speak about? The first part appear as single strand, A and C. A, single strand, but 5 and 3. What about 5 and 3? DNA? Maybe. This part is speak about the double strand. DNA, yes, DNA. But C and X, not a double strand. It's a single strand. RNA, maybe. Let's read about the question. 46, study the drawing that illustrate the structure of type of nucleic acid. Yes, nucleic acid means DNA or RNA. And then conclude. What do you want about me? Yes, let's go. A. How many hydrogen bonds are present inside the circle symbolized by letter X? Yes, hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond with a single strand. B. What is the organic compound that is lettered by A? Organic compound A. A. It is a part of a nucleic acid. Let's go to answer. How many hydrogen bonds present inside the circuit symbolized by letter X? No hydrogen bond. No hydrogen bond because there is a single strand. Single strand has no hydrogen bond. What is the organic compound that is lettered by A? A. What are the DNA formed about? DNA formed glucose sugar? No. Ribose? No. Deoxyribose sugar. That's the DNA. Deoxyribose sugar. Phosphate group and the nitrogenous base. Yes. The backbone or the leather was glucose sugar. No, ribose, not glucose. Ribose means 5 atoms of carbon. Ribose. Okay, ribose. Why we going to tell that deoxyribose? Because it's a single strand, not a double strand. Single strand means ribose sugar, not deoxyribose sugar.